Good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Nalady S, where we are living, loving and laughing. So today I'm off to get the vaccination. It's been a while. I've been wanting to get vaccinated for a very long time. So I'm finally going to get vaccinated and I'm running a bit late. I'm just actually waiting for my Uber to come, and I was just like, you know what, let me just vlog this, let me document this so that I can have it like for myself. And then it'll be a reminder, hey, we've been through the most, we've been through the pandemic, we almost died, child, but here we are now. And then I can just take a look at, have a look back, English, reflect on it one day, just to be like, we come far, man, we come far. So I'm currently waiting for my Uber. The weather is not lekker today, the weather is not nice, it's cloudy, it's a bit raining, but we're here, we're alive, and we're gonna get vaccinated. Let's go. My memory one day so beg ukuthi yazi. Oh yeah, correct. Okay, ngibambe. So your girl has just vaccinated. I'm done vaccinating. I'm now in the waiting area, and I got this here and this here. So I just have to wait a few minutes. Vaccinating. Nothing is cute about that, honey. Nothing is cute. So my arm is a bit sore, but it's not that bad. So we'll see how it goes. Quick outfit check. These boots that I absolutely love and I'm always wearing, I bought them from Pep actually. And this bag that I'm always carrying, obviously, and these jeans that I absolutely love. So just simple. Let's go. Yo, girl is officially vaccinated. I'm done. Put it in my veins. I got the Pfizer and we're done. We're vaccinated, honey. We are vaccinated. Vaccinated hands worldwide. We are vaccinated. My package has finally arrived. I'm so excited. I've been meaning to get this for the longest time, and I'm so excited. So I'm just unboxing my Apple Watch, and this is how it looks. This is the packaging. Oh my god, like I've been wanting this for such a long time. And I'm just gonna open it to just show you guys how it looks like. This is the Apple Watch Series 3, and I just wanted something simple, just that has the basics of what I need, nothing complicated really. So I'm just gonna try to open it and I'll show you how it looks like. Oh my god, I'm always gonna be wearing this watch. Hello, hey beloved. So I received the package from Knorr and brand influence. So this is the package, and we are going to do an unboxing. So I received this package, and I'm going to. We're doing an unboxing. Let's open it. I don't. So I received a package from Knorr and brand influence, and now we're going to do an unboxing. So I think I received a few goodies in here just for me to try out and also kind of give away to my friends and loved ones. So let's do the unboxing.